Mcgrath and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you're new here. So today we're going to talk about some new releases. It's all makeup and then I got one extra item that I'm just like, please somebody, Lord help me, talk me out of it. But we will get into that. I try not to do these too often because I try to only talk about things that I get like excited about and I'm broke. So let's go ahead and get to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I would really appreciate it. I do upload here 3 to 4 times a week. And I would love to have you. So let's go ahead and get it. So I write everything down in like this little notebook, and sometimes I'm just like, I can't read my writing. I put down rot, and I was like, no, that was supposed to be, that says rat. I am very much not interested in the rat products. I don't like rats, even if they try to make it look like a cute little topo. I'm just like, nope, no. I don't want that on my makeup. We've kind of talked about this. I'm like, for me, I'm like, elephants are my thing in terms of wanting any type of animal on anything. I have an obsession. So yeah, that's kind of it for me. I know it's for the new year, but I'm just like, hopefully this new year is amazing. I'm very excited. I'm like putting it out there. We're gonna, 2020 is gonna be an awesome year. Everything's gonna be great. But other things that I think Becca and Clinique are both releasing highlighters, and if you guys haven't watched my channels lately, just one, I cannot buy any more highlighters for a while. Like, I'm just like, you're highlightered out. Like, you're tapped out for right now. Like, I'm just like, ooh, where can I put more highlights, you know? So I'm good on highlighters, even though the Becca one does look really pretty. I will say that. Just not the rat thing. I'm just like, gross. I think of food. I think of the New York pizza moment where the rat has the piece of pizza. I don't know. I don't need that on my makeup. So, BH Cosmetics, though, is releasing a palette. I cannot figure out the name of the collaborator, but I will say the palette looks really, really pretty. Like, I love the color story of this palette. The only thing is, like, because I got all those Norvina palettes, which I still need to use, definitely let me know if you want to do more looks with them and which one in particular you want. I'm kind of calling it for colorful eyeshadow palettes for a while because I adore those, and I'm just like, I want to make sure I really get my use out of them. And to be honest, like, I feel like they came with every color under the rainbow for the most part, so I'm just like, no more. You're good. But I do want to try BH Cosmetics. I've tried a liquid lip, I think, and that's it. I've never tried anything else. All right, and then we got Manny collabed with Morphe for a palette. I mean, I did watch his video, and at least he did say, like, hey, this isn't anything new. It's not that exciting, but it's just a very neutral, everyday wearable palette. And for me, like, I don't need those. I've really kind of taken it back. I have one Morphe palette, which is the Dare to Create one, and I actually really, really like that one. But other than that, I don't really gravitate towards Morphe's overall eyeshadow palettes, and especially when they're collabing, I just don't understand the need to like collab with people that already have their own brands. Like, I've been starting to like get into Lunar Beauty, and I love the formula, and you can definitely tell it's a higher end formula, and then to go back and collab, like, remember, I was kind of disappointed in the Jeffree Star collab with Morphe because I was just like, why would I want crappier product than Jeffree Star Cosmetics? I just don't really get how that makes any sense. Like, I just feel like it's just got to be a way to make money and probably just put your name out there for the creator as much as possible, but I just don't see it being worth it. Like, I think the only one, the Jaclyn Hill, the original palette, that formula is amazing and totally different than the Morphe formula, so I don't understand. Like, why do brands do that? Why can't they just make the ones that are better in terms of the collabs, like, their actual, like, formula all the time? Why? And then Smashbox is releasing a, like, hemp oil type line. And I'm just not, you know, it's like, okay. But I'm not like, oh, I need that. Like, I forget about the whole lip treatment things other than when I'm going to sleep. So for me, oh my gosh, I don't even have a lipstick on. I gotta fix this. I put a lip liner on. So excited about trying out a new one I got for Black Friday from Alamar. And I forgot. And I don't have it in here. And I'm just not gonna worry about it. So, anyways, the whole hemp oil thing. And like, you know, I feel like the hemp oil and the cannabis and all the stuff they're putting in makeup right now and skincare. I just feel like I need to research it a little bit more and actually see if it does anything. I'm very much backing down from claims of products and waiting for products like that for like reviews and actual research. I'm like, can't you make all research in a documentary form? I don't want to read it. I know that sounds very lazy of me, but it's true. Huda Beauty is releasing more of the dual-ended eyeshadows, and I don't know, I haven't tried any of them, so I can't speak on them, but most of my liquid shadow formula, like I just got a few of the House Labs one, and I'm like, I just need to use those, or else like they're definitely a product where they're not like an eyeshadow where you could just always go back into it. Like they dry out, so for me, I'm just like, it's not really worth it. And I don't remember them getting like the best reviews. Like I don't think they were awful, but they weren't like, this is amazing. I haven't seen anyone use those in a video other than when they first came out and did a review on them. So to me, that usually is a sign that they're not as amazing, you know, because I really wanted, there was one that was like almost like a bluey, like a mint green, and I was like, oh, I want that. And then I forgot about it because no one seems to talk about them anymore. So that's an easy skip for me. Now then, I'm trying to set a budget this month, especially since I spent money on Black Friday and I got things, and then I got this very pricey camera, which I just got a new lens that hasn't gotten here yet, but I'm like over the moon about it if I can figure out how to use it. But the Pat McGrath Star Wars collection. I mean, I don't even like Star Wars, okay? Like, I think Star Wars, and I'm just like, the only time I think about it in general is like my hair, when I'm just like, you know, like easily Chewbacca hair. That's the perfect texture you would describe my hair as. But I don't know. I love the packaging. I love the idea of this. The one palette I'm really interested in is like the one in the red. I want it. And then it comes, I'm sure she'll probably do a package deal where it comes with like the lip fetish balm. I've never tried any of those, so definitely let me know if they're worth it. But the colors look really pretty. I will say, do I need it? No. Again, it's got a gold in it, and I'm just, why Pat? No more. I mean, no, why? I mean, I get the one that has the machine guy on it. I'm going to sound like an idiot, especially the people that like Star Wars. I'm very sorry for my descriptions right now. But like the Tin Man, I'm like, okay, I guess you need a gold for that. You know, that makes sense. Or silver, whatever color he is. But like the other one, I'm just like, oh, the pinks, the reds, those draw me in for sure. I'm a little bit like, one's a repeat shade and I don't want the gold. But the palette, I just want it. I want it so much. So I'm kind of like, that will be your one palette this month if you get something. And that is it. That is my line. I'm like, please don't spend more money this month. I will definitely do a Black Friday haul though. I'm excited for that because I got a lot of goodies and I got brands that I've never tried before, so I'm excited. Then we got Drunk Elephant. That is coming out with the F-Bomb. I'm in the minority of people. I don't necessarily love Drunk Elephant products, or at least the ones I've tried. It's been a few years for sure, but I feel like it was so hyped up and I didn't see any difference with my skin. So I am easily going to pass on this. It's like a moisturizer overnight mask thing. But price-wise, I just don't have the need. And now I have so many, like I have the Tatcha Dewy Skin. Tatcha. I got the Tatcha Dewy Skin. And then I have the one in the green, and then I got the one in the white. And not because I bought all three. My husband, that was my Christmas present last year. I don't know why he decided to buy me a moisturizer for Christmas, but I mean, I was happy about it. But yeah, like just the fact that I haven't even used it and it's almost a whole year later kind of lets you know that I don't need a new one. So yeah, that's an easy skip for me. Linda Hallberg is coming out with the Enchanted Mysteries palette again. This looks really pretty. I still haven't tried any Linda Hallberg. Well, no, that's a lie. I have her Spectral palette, which I honestly don't use. I keep telling myself I'm going to use it, and I forget. And then I have her eyeliners, which I love, but the $59 for the 4, I mean, I know I paid more for Pat McGrath ones, so, and I hear really great things, but for me, like, I don't need that green. I just got the Pat McGrath one with the green. I have another one of hers with the green, and I don't wear greens often, so that's what's kind of putting me off from it, where I'm just like, I really only love 2 shades of the palette, the 2 lighter ones. I think it has a gold in it too. So I'm going to skip on that, but I am interested in it. And then Kesha is coming out with her brand, and I feel like a lot of people are very excited about this. And I'm not that excited about it. I don't know. I love the packaging. I will say that though. I like the color packaging, but like I said, I don't need a palette in terms of another colorful palette. And then I just feel like the pictures, she's got very messy makeup, and it's just not my style. Like, I'm just kind of like, doesn't mean I won't buy anything from her in the future, but nothing really is like drawing my attention. I'm not a red lipstick lover. So for this initial launch, I will be skipping over it. I just don't need it. I can't afford to keep doing reviews where I'm like, oh, I don't really want this product. I'm just going to do it for the reviews. Like, I'm done with that. I can't do it anymore. So I'm going to skip over that collection. And then I'm going to say something that I'm just like, the Skims, Kim Kardashian's Skims line, I want this cozy set. Okay? I want it. I want it bad. I don't know why. I love cozy things. I know why. It's because I just want to be comfortable like all the time. Like I saw this meme today where it was like husband or boyfriend gets, a Victoria's Secret card and she goes and buys pajamas, and I'm like, oh, that's so me. I've been in a robe mood lately, if you can't tell from my videos. Like, I'm just like, I just want the robe part. Like, I'm not paying $58 for a crop top and $88 for sweatpants. Like, nope. But the robe, it just looks so soft. And I'm just in my mind like, who do you think you are? Like, why do you think that you need that? And what's wrong with you? So please help me talk myself out of it, or help me decide if I should get it in black or brown. I will not get the white or the blush color, even though they're pretty. I'm like, no, I'm too messy for that, and I want to actually use it. If I'm going to pay that much for a robe, I want to wear that robe like every day, all day. And it's going to be like my filming studio outfit. That's just how it's going to go. So, yeah, I don't know why, but I'm just like, I need it. I need it so much. But I've never tried anything from Skims. So please let me know what you think. But that is it for me for today. I didn't want to overwhelm. I don't like to talk about too many releases, or else I just feel like these videos can get way too long and I end up just doing something else while I listen to them. So let me know what things you guys are interested in. Did I miss any big launches that you guys have your eyes on? Like, let me know the tea. And yeah, I think that's it. Like, I'm pretty happy with the fact that I'm like, okay, I want Pat McGrath. I went, even though I ain't going to that movie. No. Yeah, I could watch the movie. I mean, they just were never my favorite. And then I just really want the robe. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay. That is it for me. I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. Bye, guys. I wonder how much I can block out the camera and just keep pulling. You fail.